In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn off iMessage read receipts. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll through and find the messages app. You can use the search bar and search for messages app over here and simply click it and open it, or you can just scroll through and find this app's option over here on the bottom and click it. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, you simply have to scroll through to the M section, or you can use the search bar and search for the specific app that is Messages. Once you're on the M section, you'll find the Messages app in the list. Simply click this option and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, if you scroll through, you'll find this option that says Send Read Receipts. You can see it's turned on. If it's green, it means it's turned on. You simply have to toggle it off by clicking it. Once you do so, it's going to turn gray and now it's turned off. Now people won't be notified if you have read their messages, and that's how you turn off your iMessage read receipt.